Wowee, it's already getting hot in New York City. If you're looking to beat the heat with a window AC this season, listen up. Buying the right AC for your space is crucial. Too small and it'll be running constantly. Too big and it'll cool inefficiently, waste energy, and wear out quicker. Window units can be heavy and cumbersome. New York City's unique apartment windows and ledges can add unforeseen challenges to your installation. You'll be dealing with lifting heavy objects at precarious heights. I don't think it's worth it for the potential injuries. That's why I carry insurance. Also, don't just plug that AC into any old power strip. It either needs to go to a dedicated wall outlet, or if you have to use an extension cord, get a 3-prong grounded cord that's rated for heavy loads. Something probably around 12 gauge is what you're looking for. That's why hiring an insured professional handyman from Team Handyman is so important. We have the training and experience to be able to install these properly and safely so you can sleep soundly and coolly. From maneuvering that bulky AC into place to sealing and insulating it, we have you covered. Don't risk your safety this summer in New York City. Hire the pros and stay cool with total peace of mind. Hit us up for a free quote at teamhandydan.com. Don't forget, we're insured. It's worth it. Maybe you can meet my dogs. All right, stay cool.